Yes.
Greatness or prosperity.
Yes.
Okay. Uzebu.
What? Uzebu?
Uzebu.
Yes.
Like family name.
It's a family name. It's a name of a quarter in Edo State. Like
Okay.
an area, like we say Hende, or you say downtown.
Okay.
So it's named after a whole quarters. They call it Uzebu quarters, but it's also a family name. People have it as last name.
Okay. And then Uzokpo.
Zokpo is a bowl.
A bowl. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see. So Odafen.
Odafe is husband.
Okay. So if it has the dot underneath, it's an E. And
Yes.
if it doesn't have the dot, it's an A.
It's exactly.
Okay. Yeah.
So, and it will be easier if we had taught you the vowels, the Edo vowels. So the Edo vowels, technically, there are 5 vowels, but some letters appear twice. That's the letter O and the letter E. We have 2 letter O's in Edo language, one with diacritic and one without diacritic.
Okay.
The diacritic is the subdot at the bottom of the letter.
Okay.
And then that diacritic helps you with the pronunciation. So for the letter O, any word that starts with letter O and it has a diacritic, it means you have to say O.
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 Ah.
To pronounce the letter O that has diacritic, as in Omodame.
Omodafe.
Odafe.
Odafe.
Odafome. So those O, it means that the word starts with letter O, but the letter O has a diacritic.
Okay.
Whereas the letter O that does not come with diacritic, you pronounce it the way you pronounce the English letter O.
Just O?
Yes. That's the similarities with Edo language. There's a very serious similarities between Edo language vowels and the English vowels. When you want to say orange, remember that orange starts with letter O.
Yeah.
And then we have names and words in Edo language that starts with O. Meanwhile, it is letter O. Like you have in orange, we have that as Omodame, the way you pronounce orange. Okay, the other O that does not have diacritic, you pronounce it as O.
Okay.
O, like Osazoa.
Yeah.
Osagede, Osaze, Osarogie, Osaratin, exactly.
Yeah.
Your friend, your friend's name is Osaratin. So Osaratin is spelled as Osaratin.
Yeah.
There's no diacritic.
Yeah.
But when you say Osaratin, it means that the letter E in Osaratin comes with a diacritic.
Okay.
Yes, because it's saying E. Always remember when you want to pronounce Edo language. Edo, not Edo. Edo. Edo language, the pronunciation changes because of diacritic at the bottom of the E.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, Egbe would be family.
Egbe is family.
And Igbe would
be
body.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can you see the 2 spellings are the same?
Yes.
But the meanings are totally different.
Yeah.
And for you to get that meaning instantly is to consider the diacritic there.
Okay.
So there is diacritic in Egbe family, EGBE, Egbe. Both E's have diacritic, right?
Mm.
You can see it there. And the meaning is there too, Egbe. Whereas, don't worry. No, it's okay. I know you have good. So whereas the Egbe, both letter E's does not have diacritic.
Okay.
Check.
Yep. So
Freeman,
Egbe.
can you also check?
So Egbe is body. Yeah. And Egbe is family.
Yep.
Can you point at it? Point at the Egbe and Egbe.
Egbe and Egbe.
This is Egbe.
Okay.
And Egbe.
Please point at the Egbe.
Right there. Whoops.
Wow.
Right there.
Uh-huh.
Let's see. So you gotta get there. You go.
Yeah. So
so
I will speak with the bishop. I saw some Edo families. in the last service. So if they can give me spots to come and teach Edo language for the children
Yeah.
and yourself, since you have a friend called Osareti.
Yeah.
So next time you see Osareti, you just be telling Osareti that using some words, or you copy some words to test him.
Yeah.
Like voye, he will like,
Oh yeah.
how did you?
Okay. So next is Owo.
Oh, well, that's one.
And then Eva would be 2.
Eva is 2. Ikesugi.
Ekesugi.
Yes.
That'd be 15.
Yes.
Ukpa, light. Uzokpo.
You can pronounce it well. That's good.
Let's see. Ukoni. Kitchen. Uweba. No, Iweba.
Iweva.
Iweba.
Yes.
12.
12.
Iro. Is the R silent?
Which one?
Io?
Yes.
It would be more like Io instead of
Io.
Iro.
Io. You just say Io, yeah.
Io is thoughts.
The R is silent.
Igbe is 10. Ehan, 6.
6.
Let's see. Go to the next page. Okay. Akugbe.
Akugbe, that's unity. Like when we are united, we speak with one voice.
Okay.
That's Akugbe.
And then Ego.
Ego is money.
Okay.
Of course, you must know ego. You should know ego.
Then
Ego
Okuo.
definitely.
Okuo.
Ohu. Is it woman?
Yeah.
Yes, it's Ohu.
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 O-K-H.
Yeah.
The KH is a consonant.
Okay.
The O is a vowel. The U is a vowel and the O is a vowel.